New from AMT, round 2 models, it is the 1992 Chevy Silverado C1500 Fleetside short bed kit, 1/25th scale full curbside kit. It features 2 wheel options, clear front lenses, side mirror options, separate hood and engine plate, color decals, and it is an easy assembly. Molded in white with 43 parts. And yes, this is an all new tooling. According to an AMT Round 2 employee, AMT at the time did not own the Chevy Silverado tooling for the short bed, the 454, the long bed, the step side. They did not own that tooling. So they had to create all new tooling to do this version and the upcoming dually 3500 dually version that's coming next month. And it is today's What's in the Box. Taking a look now at the body, and you can see it is molded in white. Getting started with the chassis parts tree, which also has the engine plate, steering wheel, and the mirrors. So taking a look at the chassis, basically all the underside detail is molded to the chassis. We don't like to see that, but it is what it is for a easy build curbside kit. Unbuilt promo style, basically. And there is what they're calling the engine plate. It is essentially just the underside engine detail, the oil pan, bottom half of the transmission. And here are the 2 mirror options. They're basically the sports style mirrors and the steering wheel. Taking a look now at the hood and tailgate parts tree, which has the hood and the tailgate. Now we're going to take a look at the interior parts tree. Let's see, it has the interior bucket, seats, dash, 2-piece. I'll take a look at the interior tub. And the bucket seats. And the 2-piece and dash. Now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree. Start here with the new grille and the bumpers. And there's the rear bumper. And here we have the wheels. You have 2 wheel choice. You have the standard steel wheels or the sport wheels. Very minimal detail on the wheels, kind of disappointing. There's virtually no real detail on the Steelies, and they're kind of like the paddle style, so they're going to be very difficult to use with the other tires. Now we're turning our attention to the blank generic sidewall tires. It's a really tall sidewall too. Kind of disappointing as well. And the set of metal axle rods. Taking a look at the clear parts tree. So we have the front window and the rear window with the slider option. And then we have the clear headlight lenses. The headlight lenses, the only really good thing about this kit. Oh, there's the 4th one, fell off. And the clear transparent red taillight lenses. Taking a look now at the decal sheet, you can see it's pretty full for a curbside kit. You have some options there. Got the sport decal options, 5 decal options for the tailgate, 1,500 decals of different colors, white, silver, and red, so you're not getting boxed into either doing the body in a light color or a dark color. That's nice to see. Have some dash decals. Taking a look now at the instruction sheet. It really is just a single sheet, double-sided. And yes, I imagine if you want to get yourself some color matched paint, Jameson and Scalefinishes can get some mixed up for you. So that is going to do it for this look at the 1992 Chevy Silverado 1500 Fleetside short bed kit from AMT. On that note, thank you for watching.